Today we got a video from Cuffs and Bagels, and the title of the video is Stolen Credit Card Fraud Ends with One Call.
Hi. Can we please have Jason come up here? As a civil right, I have a right to have this person that is on my card, the same person, come up here, please.
Okay. Hold on. I want to stay right here so she doesn't leave.
Perfect. So I'm not going to go anywhere. I'm going to step outside and smoke a cigarette if I can.
Call us about an hour or 2 hours ago saying that his card was used and it was stolen.
Yeah.
And I was like, at first, I'm like, I don't have that in here. And as I'm going through my system, she presented that card. She brought it down with me. It does say Justin. It's not her name on it.
Say lives.
Okay. So Nez Perce County has already put a report out for this.
Okay, see, and I did months ago about these cards.
What?
Months ago. All of my debit cards, everything was stolen. It is a joint account. It goes to and she has my card. She has both my cards.
That's when I get back to you.
She has, no you didn't. Okay.
The one that was reported stolen, I took.
Okay. If you call on that Capital One, same as that's why I said I did not, it is the same account. And it is my name that is on there, not Jason. That is a authorized user on my account. That's why it says joint account. And if you could find Jason to come down here and talk to me,
I don't know who Jason is.
Okay, if he called, I would love to see him.
I don't know who he is. I don't know how to get a hold of him.
But then he called here. He called up here. Then where's the phone number to contact him?
I don't have that phone number. He called. I don't have caller ID.
Okay, that doesn't even make sense.
I assure you I
Okay, was it Jason that called? Okay, why is Jason calling about these cards?
I would love to see Jason.
What's going on? So
Because I'm calling about the same thing. Because somewhere there's some issues in there.
We get a report of a theft that happened in a shop over in Lewiston. Or not Lewiston, but cul-de-sac.
Okay. What about cul-de-sac?
And there's some card that was taken from there, and the person was used. That's what was reported on Nez Perce County.
No.
I'm just telling you the truth right now.
Okay.
You can say no all you want.
I understand that.
Okay.
No, yeah, I completely understand that.
Okay.
Okay, so
So.
I would love to speak with Jason.
Okay. I'm going to call
Because
county.
if we look, yes, please.
Okay.
Can we please?
All right.
I would love for that.
Okay.
Because
so,
he knows where my mother is.
Okay.
Him and I have had, I would love to know.
Okay. So in the meantime, I am detaining you
Okay,
for what's
can I
going on.
smoke a cigarette, please? Please
Yes.
don't detain me.
So I am going to detain you.
Okay.
You can smoke a cigarette. You can walk out to the car with me.
Okay.
But you are being detained. Not under arrest. You're being detained for investigation of
Okay.
theft of credit card. Okay.
I'm going to have my staff pack up your stuff though because I can't have you here either.
Can I actually please go grab it?
That's
I
the
don't.
officer.
We can work that out once I call. Okay.
Okay, yeah, because
So-
I had no problems. The card that she used was the same card that goes to it because Jason, it's actually not one. That is a name that is put underneath the company from Holland and Hart. This is the attorney. You're more than welcome to contact them.
Okay.
I would love to see Jason.
So I'm gonna go make a call real quick. Hey, this is Officer All with the Clarkson Police Department. I am calling because I'm out with the potential suspect for a theft that happened in cul-de-sac. Deputy Candler was the one that talked with the police department previously. It's LaDonna. Alright, sounds good. I will place her into custody. Okay.
So this is actually a federal case. I have the will to it.
So here's the thing right now. So
I just went through this, literally
he reported it stolen. So
just went through this not even a month ago.
Well,
with Michael.
Place your hands behind your back. You're done. You're done.
well, at this time, it's a reported stolen card.
Okay.
So it's not your car.
Okay. Oh.
So I am placing you under arrest for possession of stolen property, okay? Can you stand up for me? Okay.
Thought you was getting away with it. You thought you was slick.
How much stuff do you have in your room?
I can call somebody to come get it.
Okay.
Can I call somebody to come get it really
Yeah,
quick? Can I please do that?
So once I get through all this, we can do that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. No, just stay right here.
I'll just have him. Okay. She gave me that bag.
Okay.
That one has the company's name on it.
Okay, where's Justin's card at?
Justin or Jason?
This card.
See? But I don't know if she had it.
Okay, she might have it.
That's the one I thought I used.
Okay.
That has the company name before his name because it's an authorized signer. He is an they were authorized signers.
Okay, I'll have you sit in the vehicle.
Work together.
Do you want the windows rolled down?
Yes.
Okay. Hey. So, do I have all the cards and everything?
What was that?
I got all the cards and everything.
Perfect.
Okay, how much was spent on the car?
It was authorized for $165.59. So I'm checking her out. It will go back on the card, so nothing will be charged. It was
Okay.
authorization only.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Jason. Hey, Jason, this is Officer All with the Clarksville Police Department. So I was able to get your card back. What's your relation with her? What'd she steal in the shop? You want to press charges, right, for her having possession of your credit card? I haven't looked through the bags yet. If I find more keys, they'll be placed into safekeeping.
Yeah, you know, relationship tour, you know. Probably some fly-by-night chick he had, you know, dusted her off and, you know, and she got sticky fingers, you know what I mean? And she took the card when he wasn't looking or something and gated off, man. And see, this is why you got to watch out who you bring to your crib. I'm saying, nah, I don't know if that happened. I just completely made that up. But it's a very real possibility.
There might be more charges. That's okay. Like, more felony charges, because
What did she have?
there was mail, so she...
Yeah, that's an automatic too, felony, huh? Being in possession or opening it?
So there's an actual one that's, the actual crime is called mail theft. It has to be 10 different individual pieces of mail. It's a real special one, but I've got it before. She stole a bunch of stuff from a shopping cul-de-sac. There's a bunch of keys and everything. I don't know if they're in the purses or not. We'll find out.
Okay.
All right. That is it for me.
All right. She got sticky fingers. That's all I could say. This video was actually, it was all right. Cuffs and Bagels, a newer channel that I tried to check out here. Let me see. Yeah, they got 2K subscribers. So, just trying to see, try to check out some newer channels, see what they got going on, you know what I mean? But anyways, I think the officer did a pretty good job, man. Officer did a pretty good job, man. I'm gonna say, 5 out of 5. I think he was pretty lenient. Let her smoke her cigarette, whatever. All good, all good. She didn't run. She didn't do nothing crazy. This was just a regular day for an officer, I guess. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officer did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.